welcome to YouTube channel. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is how to make money at freelancing.com. Posted on 11 March 2025. June 2019. Freelancing.com is marketplace. Its idea, skill and trends vary anyway. Anyone can work on what they love. The website has been up and running for about 6 years now and has since launched many products and features to help both employers and freelancers get work done. Because of the art platform, as many seem to driving for Neville, and that's shortcuts. We disconnect the process involved in the working and earning. Its freelancer.com. How to make money freelancing. Step 1. For freelancers. Step 1. Determine what you could comment to a life. Freelancing and sign up for a freelancer.com account. Signing up and working. It's freelancing.com is about free, but we also have membership upgrade that will great help you earn more, such as getting more credit per month and loss of skill. Certain projects require your profile to reflect category skill, so that's more you have listed as more option as you get ads. This page to see what's on offer. Step 2. Set up profile. We state the needed from complete a perceptible profile inquiries to show down your personal manager profile and scale all rolled into one. It's also an improvement tools personal and employer my compatible because his judgment on whether to here you are not by how we personal useful get topic here the screenshot winning profile page. Step 3. Finding project and starting building earn money. It's freelancing.com academy will hack to once you went to work on by regular checking the jobs concert page. Jobs page you are submit project opting for building for construct you are simply submit an entry. They are our 75 words category in the jobs page for web development and written to marketing and accounting certificates. Jobs this matches to your skill. It's listed here before placing your bid make source, writing complete reason. We employer should have a step by step building and guide here to bid. Step 4, this makes beat the heads but most rewarding step before starting work, deadlines and milestone payments. So also will no issue along ways you are many went signed agreements in place, seal deal almost be clear between you and employer before just jump the gun. You may to extend to start working but keep calm and focused. Once the jobs are always make source your impress your employer by being constant tests will come timeline, better guests and communication use but chat books constant easy better install our mobile app so you can employer update via yours. Step 5, get paid and earn 5-star feedback once get paid. Withdraw your money Visa, PayPal, right transfer money, books or nomination local bank accounts. Work target experience withdrawal system. Also always hear from 5-star feedback. The accumulation accurate qualification feedback is great. Educational your perfect will to keep earn money or freelancer. Listen setup. There are 5 have question check our FAQ or comment before 91 likes, 61 comments, right? And I have spent content condition freelancing. I am condition of freelancing case study program. I write inspectional subscription stories of employers and freelancers when not busy writing. I play game. I am new at freelancer.com. I am good copywriting, converting screen words, data entry, let's provide me some work. I will give my best. Thank you. Can we get work without upgrades or without speeding its money? Here there I have been freelancer here. I am good. It's copywriting. It's really work jobs. I have applied job but not getting many. I now reason my body help me. I have been with freelancer but till date not job found. I can't understand my here. Anybody who can help me? Hello, I am Ikra. I am very skilled in data entry successful. Thanks for watching. For latest question updates, subscribe my channel, like